Hi guys, I'm going to explain you the last topic about clipping masks, and then I will going to explain you what you will be doing today. Remember, on Monday we saw how to create clipping masks with photos and text. On Tuesday we saw how to work with photos and shapes, and today I'm going to show you how you can put regular shapes inside text and into another objects or shapes. So first I put together here all of these circles. As you can see, these are regular shapes, and I want this to be the fill of this circles word. So I'm going to select them all and group them. You can press Command G or go to Properties and Group. And then I'm going to move my text on top of that. I am going to select them both, do a right click, and I will create a clipping mask. So as you can see, that's a cool way to enhance your text with your own style, with your own background, okay? And over here I have this other shape, which is a square, and I've created all of this like a pattern out of stars, okay? I already grouped them as well, and I am going to send them to the back, because the square will be the clipping mask. So I'm going to select these two things, do right click, and create a clipping mask. But what happens if I want to keep the same background? You can either add a square behind this, or you can change the properties of the square. To do that, I'm going to go inside this clipping mask, and I'm going to select the square. Then I'll go to the appearance layer, and as you can see, the stroke and the fill were removed. So I'm going to say, Illustrator, I don't want the fill to be removed, so I'm just going to put it again, okay? I'm going to put it again, and then I'm going to go back, and I will have a pattern inside a shape. And what you're going to do today is this. I've created this composition out of, with all the techniques we saw during the week. This one over here is a shape with a photo, and then this is text, but as you can see, I have 5 different photos that make my entire word. I also have a duplicate here of the same word, which I changed the color to. And for the background, what I created, as you can see, all these shapes over here, what I created was a pattern out of stripes, and I created a clipping mask using a rectangle. So the explanation on how I did this is on I left it here on the assignment, because that's where what I explained during the live session on Monday. So you can check it out how I created this. And also for today, you are going to create 2 different compositions. Both compositions must show the 3 techniques. 1, photos with text. 2, photos with shapes, and 3, shapes with shapes, okay? I'm expecting you to have a word of minimum 5 letters, and each letter should also have 1 different pattern or a photo or a style, okay? You can either fill, for example, the S with shapes, the W with a photo, this one with another photo, this one with shapes. You are free, you are creative enough to put all of this together, okay? So again, if you want to check out how I did this, it's in the recording of the live session of Monday.